everybody, so if you're carving a design and you got something like this, where you've got some nice, there we go, nice clean lines, nice cool design, but the area around your design, or more importantly, more typically within your design, it's hard to get those areas smooth and level. So what I'm going to show you today is how to create a little mini micro disc sander with a nail. Okay, so get yourself a nail. Do not get one that has a spiral shaft. Just get one with a nice smooth shaft, and a file. Go ahead and stick the nail into your Dremel. Tighten it up, about like so. Okay, now to determine what size you need the head of your nail to be, you're going to grind it down on your file. But before you do that, get yourself a hole punch, whatever size you want, whatever works with the project that you're working on. Get yourself a piece of sandpaper, punch out a hole, and then what you end up with is a tiny little disc of sandpaper. And we're going to mount that onto the end of the nail, but you want to grind that nail down just a little bit smaller than the little disc of sandpaper that you have. Now you can do different sizes. I've got a really small one here, like that, like that, and that'll make getting into even smaller spots easier. Now I've got the head of my nail the size that I want. I just take some CA glue, or super glue. This is Hot Stuff from Satellite City. Great company, by the way. And just dab, I mean, just barely a bit, just to wet the surface. That was a little too much of the nail there. And then just apply your disc of sandpaper, and it'll dry almost instantly. Okay, now we're ready to go. So now the area in here, it's a little bit smaller, so I made a smaller disc right there, and we're going to be able to get in that little spot. Now look how smooth that turned out. Now there are other ways to go about sanding the background behind a design. This is simply another tool in your arsenal of carving, skull carving in my case. And it's really easy. Well, I guess it's not so much easy as the benefit to this, as opposed to like some diamond dust burrs, is that this is reusable. Once your disc runs out, you simply run this up against the file to get that piece of sandpaper off and the CA glue, and then just start over again. So you really never run out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that. If you tried out, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to see and hear about how it works for you. Thanks guys for watching. If you feel like you've learned something today and I deserve it, please consider subscribing to my channel so you get updated on the next video that I have coming out. Alright guys, see you later. But don't take my word for it, guys. Go try this yourself. Hey, so I wanted to say thank you to Kat for leaving a 5-star review on my Facebook page. I really appreciate that. I love interacting with you guys over there. And she mentioned something. She said that her kids like watching my videos. So that got me to thinking, do any of your kids out there watch my videos? It would be pretty cool to hear. You can leave a comment below. I would love to see how many kids are actually watching. It's kind of cool to me. Maybe they'll learn a little something. Alright guys, thanks for watching.